All right, Trevin, what's your website tip of the week?
All right, guys, so this week we're actually going to talk about another issue that we run into when we're talking with clients day to day about their home pages, as well as with home pages that we find every day across the internet. Guys, do not be afraid to let customers scroll through your home page. It's very important to scroll a home page that's long enough and includes about 3 to 5 sections that help direct your new and recurring customers to key pages throughout your website, as well as giving them a spot on the home page to get portions of that information without having to go to another page yet. So we'll drop a couple examples of some of these sections to include. A lot of the ones that we like to use are value proposition, introduction videos like we've talked about before with your hero video, about us sections, overview of your services, overview of your products, your product features, customers' testimonials and reviews, and even resources. So these are a lot of things that you could include on your website to help people, number one, get portions of information without having to go to different pages, but also give them a way to navigate that home page seamlessly and be able to find a way to those pages without having to guess through the navigation bar. So I hope that made sense, guys. If you guys have any other questions that you guys would like us to answer on these video tips, please feel free to comment where you've seen this, whether it's been Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. Also, feel free to subscribe. Tongue-tied, excited for this week, guys. Let's get it.